Let's see how to customize your website AI chatbots or GPTs using the power of CSS. So before that, let's see how to actually create one web chatbot over here. So here, let's use our free template right here. So here, let me go to the flows and choose all free templates. And here you can find AI chatbot lead generation customer support free template right here. You have to add your business information right here. So here we have some information about a particular roofing company right here. So let's go with this particular example over here. So the company name is Top Shield Roofing Solutions, and it has some introduction, the services they provide, the pricing, and also some frequently asked questions along with the contact information and the opening hours as well. So likewise, you can actually have your own business information right here so that the AI chatbot should be able to answer any sort of questions. So now let's actually quickly create a website chatbot based on this particular business information. For that, I have to go to website manage over here, and let's create a website chatbot in this particular name right here. And here, what is the header? So header, we can simply put this particular roofing company name and welcome message. So if you, when a particular customer tap on the chat widget, what sort of message you want to send to them. So here, let me actually create a welcome message as well, so we can use it as well. So let me go to the flows and let me create the welcome message flow as welcome and this particular company name. And let me add the welcome message right here. So let me add the text message and say welcome to this particular company, how can I help you today? So let's add this message as well. So this will be the welcome message, and let me click publish over here. And here, let me actually refresh this page, and so that I can actually choose this particular welcome message right here. And I want to copy this company name as well so that we can make it as the header over here. All right. So here you have other customization options as well. And here, if you choose a logo as the persona, whatever the logo you have on your account, so here it says a D, and you can actually have your own logo changed via settings, general, scroll down, and here you can easily change your logo right here. So here, if you choose to switch this on, then whenever a particular customer receive a chatbot message, the logo will be there as well. And here you have the option to customize the web chat using the CSS. So let me show the default web chat before we actually customize this thing. So let me click save, and here let me grab the code. So here, this is the code. Let's grab the code. All right, so here you can actually paste this particular code in your landing page. So here I'm going to actually create a landing page element over here, and here let's say this is your website. This is your sample website. So this is just an example, and here you can simply add your code right here. Simple as that. So now if I click publish over here, so here let me preview this particular page over here. So click on preview and see, it says this is your website, and here this is how the default chat widget looks like. So if I click on it, it will show the header, and it will simply send the welcome message along with the account logo. The reason everything is in the blue color is that here you can actually choose the color as well. So here, if I click on the web chat option right here, and here you have the option to choose the brand color. So if I change to some other brand color and get a new code, it will be changed to that particular specific color as well. So now let's see how to do customizations over here. For that, I'm going to actually use the help center guides we have right here, and let me do a quick search right here saying web chat customizations or likewise. So here, web chat customization. So here you can actually do tons of customizations right here. So here we have some examples for you. So first is that you can actually automatically open this particular chat widget on your website in a few seconds. So let's say a particular customer visit your website and they actually scrolling through the website, and after a few seconds you can automatically open it. So to do that, you can simply use this code right here. So here, integrate the following code into your chat widget code. Make sure to place it right before the closing script tag. And this is the code, simple as that. So let me copy this one, and here 3000 represent 3 seconds. So if you want to automatically open the chat widget in 5 seconds, you have to simply put 5000 right here. So let me go to the web chat code over here, because we have to place this particular function right before the script tag. So let me go to the web chat right here, and let me locate the script. So this is the script tag is here. Let me press enter. I want to paste the copied code right here, and let me click publish. So now if I preview this over here, in 3 seconds this particular chat widget should open and send us the welcome message. Let's see if it does. So as you see here, it simply works right here. So that's one customization option here. And apart from that, you can actually do like show logo as persona, which we have already did it right here. And apart from that, you can also do customizations related to CSS as well. For example, you can actually change the header, chat header background to some other colors as well. For example, you can actually use this inspect element right here and choose this mouse cursor, and if you select each of these elements, you can find the CSS class and the properties of each of these elements. For example, let me choose this chat header. So here it says chat header, and currently the background color of this chat header is this one, white color. So if I want to change this to this color, we can easily do that, simple as that. But what you have to do is you have to simply copy this particular thing right here, copy the whole thing, and come back to this particular website chatbot customization, and here you have the option to update the CSS. So here you can update the background color with this particular specific color. So if you are not making any other changes to other variables right here, you can simply delete it. So let me delete it, because I'm actually only changing the background color only. And if I click save, and if I click publish over here, and if I preview this again, we should see the chat widget open in 3 seconds and the header in the particular color we choose. So likewise, you can actually inspect each and every element right here and update the properties. For example, you can even change the font color, the radius of this thing, and you can even hide these elements as well. And suppose if you want to change this particular icon right here, you can simply use this particular code right here. So you have to add this icon equal your URL within your chat widget code right here. So that's also another thing. So here we have some examples for you. For example, let's simply copy paste this thing and paste it in the CSS of this particular chat widget. And here the chat header background color is this one, and the color is this one, and you can even change the font size as well. So let me click publish, and let me preview this one or refresh this one. So we should see a different chat widget header right here. So in 30 seconds it will open, and as you see here, the font size has been changed as well. So likewise, you can do tons of customization for each of these elements. So here we have some examples. For example, you can actually chat area background color. You can set a different background color to this chat area, or you can even add your own image as well. So that's all another thing. So here, chat area background image. So just need to copy this thing and come back to this particular chat widget right here and paste it. So here we have to add an image URL right here. Please create a chat background image for a roofing company. Make it more transparent, because I want to display the chat messages before this particular image. So let me add this particular prompt, and let's see if it actually creates an image. So the image is actually loading right here, and let's wait for a moment, and it simply created a background image. So it says this is a background image. Let me simply copy the image address just to show you how this can be implemented. So here you have to replace this particular image URL with your the image actual image address and click save. And let me click publish as well. And here if I refresh this thing, we should see the background of that image within the chat area. And as you see here, the image has been already updated right here. And there are other customizations as you see here. And here, for example, you can even hide the voice input as well. So here we can see the voice input, and a customer can easily send any sort of messages through the voice as well. So can you please tell me where are you located? And if I send the voice note right here for my question regarding where are you located, it simply respond to us right here. Suppose if you don't want customers to use this voice input feature, you can simply disable this one by using this particular simple CSS code. So let me do that and show you how this actually looks like. So here let me add this particular code once again. So let's remove this chat area background. I didn't like it, paste it and save it. So now we have updated the CSS in such a way to remove the chat area background and also hide the voice input as well. So let me publish this one and let me refresh it. So now it should open in 3 seconds, and let's see how this actually looks like. So as you see here, the chat area background is gone, and here the voice input feature is also removed. And here this is you can even change the radius of these message buttons as well. For example, for that you have to simply use this particular thing, message text border radius. So here if I click on it, and more options, CSS, and here let's just choose 8px instead of 18. Let's choose 8 px. So let's just look at the current radius, how it looks like these messages. So now if I update this one with 8px radius of these messages, let's see how this actually looks like. Publish it and let me refresh this thing, and let's wait for 3 seconds for it to open automatically. And as you see here, the radius has been updated right here. So these are some of the customization examples, but you can actually do your own customization by using this particular inspect tool and customize based on whatever the elements are right here. So that's a quick video on how you can actually customize your AI website bots or GPTs according to your needs. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.